Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient background color in Photoshop document. So let's started. At first open the Photoshop document. Now you can see add gradient background color. Now you can see then we show the background and we can see then we going to the layer option. Now select from background. Now click from lock. Now click for mouse. Now click from double click. Now click from layer. Now edit from layer 1. Then click OK. Now you can see then again select from layer 1 option. Now select from mouse right button. Then click. Now click from blending option. Now select from gradient overlay option. Then we can see and select from overlay. Now select and choose gradient color. Now click OK. That it's not again OK. Now you can see add gradient background color in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.